So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my pouring medium. So I'm using Elmer's glue all and distilled water. So there isn't a specific type of paint for pour painting. People actually use acrylic paint and they mix a pouring medium to make the paint thinner so the paint can easily glide across the canvas. So this is my homemade pouring medium. There are actually real pouring mediums out there, but for DIY purposes, I am making my own pouring medium, and you're gonna see in the next clip that I'm going to pour my pouring medium into my different colors. The colors in my room are yellow, black, and white, so that's what I'm going to use for my pour paintings. So I just poured, I squeezed out some of the acrylic paint. I was really eyeballing it the whole time, so I can't really give y'all any measurements. So I'm just pouring the pouring medium in the cup, and you can see that the mixture is getting more watery. Same thing with the black. So the goal is to get your paint, I don't want to say like water, but thin enough to where you can pour it on the canvas and it will easily glide across the canvas. So the last color that I'm mixing with the pouring medium is white, and I'm not gonna lie, I got confused about which cup was the white and which cup was the glue, but now I have all my colors mixed and now I'm about to start pouring. So this technically isn't canvas. I repurposed the middle part of my scientific poster board, and I cut a line down the middle and now I'm cutting it. Please do not judge me, y'all. This is the definition of DIY. I didn't have a box cutter and my scissors didn't work, so I used a knife. So now I'm cutting the excess little strays off the side, and then I'm going to start pouring. So I watched 1,000,001 videos on this, and what they all had in common was they all poured at least 1 or 2 colors on top of the canvas before they poured any more colors on it. So this is what keeps the paint moving. So you don't want your paint to be on a dry piece of canvas because it's going to stop moving. So I poured the paint on top of the canvas, so when I pour more colors on there, it'll move and glide more easily. So the color I chose was white for my first painting, and I'm using my blow dryer to disperse the color even more. I also saw videos where people were using blow dryers. I really like this technique, and if I choose to do any more pour paintings, I will definitely use my blow dryer. So now I'm finished putting the white down, and now I'm going to actually do the pour painting portion. So I find that pour painting videos are relaxing to watch. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to just let y'all watch me do this pour painting, and I'll be back at the end so y'all can see my finished result. So I let my pour painting sit out for about 2 days, and this is what my finished results look like. This is my first one, and that is my second one, or my second one, my first one, whatever. So now I'm going to take this clear gloss spray, and then I'm going to spray it on top because, you know, paintings, the gloss is the finishing touch on it. So you can see the difference between the part where I sprayed and the part where I did not spray. And yeah, just self-explanatory. I sprayed it with the gloss, and then I let it sit. I actually let these sit outside for a couple of days, just because I find that, you know, sometimes paint projects dry faster when they're outside. So this is my finished result of my first painting. Y'all, I am obsessed with this. So I actually hung this above my toilet, and then I put a little plant above my toilet. I just thought it was a nice touch. I just wanted something on top of my little toilet thing, and it's so pretty. I look at it every day and I'm like, oh, this is so cute. And this is my second one. I actually hung this on the wall next to my bathroom, so the same wall that my nightstand is on. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.